Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel SRS Letical. In today's this video we will solve important MCQ of chemistry. So let's get started. The first question is constituents of atomic nucleus are options are electron and proton, electron and neutron, proton and neutron, proton, neutron and electron. The correct answer of this question is option C, that is proton and neutron. The constituents of an atom are protons, neutrons and electrons. The protons and neutrons, which is called as nucleons, are found in the nucleus of atoms. The nucleus of an atom is surrounded by electrons. Next question. Which of the following statement about molecular structure is correct? Options are neutron and electron are found inside the nucleus and proton revolves around the nucleus. Second option is electron and proton are inside the nucleus and neutron revolve around the nucleus. Third option is proton and neutron are inside the nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus. Fourth option is proton, neutron and electron all are inside the nucleus. The correct answer of this question is option C. That is, proton and neutron are inside the nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not a part of an atom? Options are electron, proton, neutron and photon. The correct option of this question is option D, that is photon. Proton, electron and neutron are part of an atom, but the photon is associated with light energy and is also known as energy packet of light. Moving to the next question. A single type of atom is found in. Options are compounds of minerals, mixture of minerals, native elements or none of the above. The correct option is option C, that is native elements. Native element is a material that consists of a single type of atom, while a compound consists of two or more types of atoms. Now, moving to the next question. The atomic nucleus was discovered by. Options are Rutherford, Dalton, Einstein and Thomson. The right answer of this question is Rutherford. Moving to the next question. In atom, neutron was discovered by. Options are J.J. Thomson, Chadwick, Rutherford and Newton. The right answer of this question is Chadwick. Neutron is a neutral particle which has no electrical charge and it was discovered by Chadwick in 1932. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not a subatomic particle? Options are neutron, proton, deuteron and electron. The right answer of this question is option C, that is deuteron. The particles that are smaller than the atoms are called subatomic particles. The three main subatomic particles that form an atom are protons, neutrons and electrons. Deuteron contains a proton and a neutron. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following pairs constitutes particle and antiparticle pair? Options are electron positron, proton neutron, photon electron and neutron neutrino. The correct answer of this question is option A, that is electron and positron. The positron or anti-electron is the antiparticle or the antimatter counterpart of the electron. The positron has an positive electric charge and has the same mass as an electron. Moving to the next question. In this question, we have two lists. Match 1 comprises of list 1, that is characteristics, and match list 2, that consists of particle. The correct answer to this question is option A. The positron has a positive electric charge and has the same mass and a spin of 1 by 2 as an electron. Quarks combine to form composite particles called hadrons, the most stable of which are protons and neutrons and are the components of atomic nuclei. Moving to the next question. Which one is a fundamental particle? Options are neutron, proton, meson and quark. The right answer of this question is option D, that is quark. In particle physics, an elementary particle or fundamental particle is a subatomic particle with no substructure, thus not composed of other particles. Particles currently thought to be elementary include the fundamental fermions, that is quarks, leptons, antiquarks and antileptons, as well as fundamental bosons. Moving to the next question. The alpha particle carries two positive charges. Its mass is very nearly equal to that of, options are 2 protons, nucleus of an atom of the helium, sum of masses of 2 positrons and 2 neutrons. 2 positrons, each positrons carry a single positive charge. The right answer of this question is option B, that is nucleus of an atom of helium. An alpha particle is a fast moving particle containing 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Its mass is equal to that of a helium atom's nucleus. Moving to the next question. The nucleus of helium has, options are only 1 neutron, 2 protons and 2 neutrons, 1 proton and 2 neutrons. The right answer of this question is option C, that is 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Moving to the next question. Which of the following elements does not contain neutrons? Options are oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, none of the above or more than one of the above. The right answer of this question is option C, that is hydrogen. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. The protium isotope of the hydrogen has no neutron, while deuterium has 1 neutron and tritium isotope has 2 neutrons. Moving to the next question. Which of the following carries a negative charge? Options are X-rays, alpha particles, beta particles and gamma rays. The right answer of this question is option C, that is beta particles. Alpha rays or alpha particles are the positively charged particles. Beta particles are highly energetic electrons which are released from the inner part of a nucleus. They are negatively charged and have a negligible mass. Now, moving to the next question. In an atom, the order of filling up of the orbital is governed by, options are Aufbau principle, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, Hund's rule, and Pauli's exclusion principle. The right answer of this question is option A, that is Aufbau principle. The Aufbau principle is used to determine the electron configuration of an atom, molecule or ion. The principle postulates a hypothetical process in which an atom is built up by progressively adding electrons. As they are added, they assume their most stable condition, that is electron orbitals, with respect to the nucleus and those electrons already there. According to the principle, electrons fill the orbital starting at the lowest available possible energy level before filling the higher level. Example, 1 before 2. Option. Moving to the next question. Regarding the atom of a chemical element, the magnetic quantum number refers to, options are orientation, shape, size and spin. The right answer of this question is option A, that is orientation. In atomic physics, the magnetic quantum number is the third set of quantum numbers, that is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and the spin quantum number, which describes the unique quantum state of an electron and its orientation. It is designated by the letter m. The magnetic quantum number denotes the energy levels which is available within a subcell. This number is the projection of the angular momentum corresponding to the orbital along a given axis. Principal quantum number describes the electron cell or energy level of an electron. Azimuthal quantum number describes the shape of a given orbital, while spin quantum number describes the spin of the electron within that orbital. Moving to the next question. What is the mass number of an element, the atom of which contains 2 protons, 2 neutrons and 2 electrons? The correct answer of this question is option B, that is 4. The mass number of an element is the sum of a total number of protons and neutrons inside in its nucleus and represented by A. Therefore, mass number A is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Therefore, mass number is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. Moving to the next question. The atoms in which the number of proton is same but the number of neutron is different are known as, options are isobar, isomer, isotones and isotopes. The right answer of this question is option D, that is isotopes. The isotopes are a set of nuclides or atoms having the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons. In other words, the same atomic number but having different atomic mass. Each individual isotope has a separate nuclei. The isotopes that are unstable and undergo radioactive decay are called radioisotopes. Moving to the next question. Isotopes are those atoms of the same element which have, options are atomic mass is same but atomic number is different, atomic mass is different but atomic number is same, atomic number and atoms mass both are same. None of the above is the last option. The right answer of this question is option B, that is atomic mass is different but atomic number is same. Moving to the last question. Isotopes is that nuclei of atomic nucleus in which, options are number of neutron is same but number of proton is different, number of proton is same but number of neutron is different, number of both protons and neutron is same. Fourth option is number of both protons and neutron is different. The correct answer of this question is option B, that is number of proton is same but number of neutron is different. Please comment, like, share and subscribe the channel for more upcoming chemistry MCQ. Thank you very much.